Okay, fifth graders, we're starting the Chapter 9 review, and this will be a really short video because you guys have done this 8 times before, and hopefully you know how it works. So what are we looking at here? The very first one says understanding vocabulary, write always, sometimes, or never for each one. And you guys know how to do that. So for number 1, it's either going to be always, sometimes, or never. And the same thing with number 2 and number 3 and so forth. So always, sometimes, or never. Those are your 3 choices. Down a little bit further, looks like you're just simply drawing a line to what you think works. If you think 6 divided by, or 1/6 divided by 2 is 6, then you would just draw a line to whatever you think the proper answer would be in column B. Number 11, explain how to use what you know about whole number division to check your work when you divide with fractions. Use at least 3 terms from the word list, okay, that would be the word list, in your explanation. And just so you know, I'd be fine with if you gave me some examples of dividing whole number division when you divide with fractions. So whole numbers dividing with fractions, okay? And then if you could write something also, again, out of that word bank, that would be great too. All right, and then the first page, I just want you to do A, B, and C on the very first page of the reteaching. And again, you guys know how this works. So in set A here, they give you an example, and then they've given you 7 problems here. And then also, don't forget that they give you the page numbers. So if you're still not sure how to do it, go to those page numbers, and that will tell you how. And then set B here, same thing. Let's see here. They give you the page numbers, and they give you an example, and looks like you got to do 1 and 2. And then finally, set C. Find 1/2 divided by 4. So remember, this is kind of what we ended the chapter with. We're dividing a unit fraction by a whole number. Okay, so normally if it was 4 divided by 1/2, you would know to multiply the 4 and the 2, and the answer would be 8. But in this case, it's 2, excuse me, times 4. But the answer is not 8. The answer is, you guys should remember, we've been doing this for a couple days, 1/8, all right? And that's it. If you wanted to jump ahead and do the last page of the reteaching, you can. But I'm just looking for tonight, or rather for tomorrow morning, which would be Friday, for you guys to do the vocabulary, and then the first page of the reteaching, which would be set A, B, and C. So, all right, you guys, that's it. Short video, 3 minutes long. You guys know how to do these, and I will see you tomorrow.